Hey y'all, we're back here with the Tiny Garden Tool Shed. What we're going to do today is make some ladders to go on the side of the shed. That's going to give me a little bit of extra room here. And they're basically called eaves. But to make those eaves, what we're going to do is make a set of ladders. So what I want to do is extend the roof out about this much. Okay, so in order to get the angle that I need, I've made a temporary brace here to hold my 2x4 so that I can mark my angle. Okay, so you can see that I have my 2x4 sitting on my temporary brace here, and it is at the exact angle that I wanted. So I'll just reach around and then we'll take it over to the miter saw and get that angle. And I'm going to need 4 of them. Okay, so now that we have our outside pieces cut to where we want them, what we need to do is take a measurement to get our inside bracing. What we're going to measure is this part right here. From this to here. Okay, so we got our measurements and everything. We got our bracing in here. What we need to do is make sure that we have everything where it needs to be. And then we'll just go about attaching them. Now, what I want to do is show y'all how I got the measurement from there. From this end to this end came up to 5.5. So what I needed to do is make sure that 1.5, 1.5, which is equal to 3, and these added together equal 5.5. So I've got 2.5 inches here, 2.5 inches here, and 2.5 inches here, which totals 5.5. So it should fit perfectly up there. Now what I'm going to do is put my temporary bracing on at the bottom of 2x4s so that it can hold the ladders, so I'll be able to screw it in. It looks just like a ladder, but it gives me space on the end. Have a nice overhang. Okay, folks, we got our ladders made. So now I have an overhang on my tiny garden tool shed. And what they really call these are eaves. Just need a little bit of cleaning up. And then we'll be ready to put the roof on. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching. And happy and blessed New Year to each and every one of you.